Hello, this is Lolly. I wanted to talk about Traveler's Notebooks a little bit today, just because I made another one yesterday. And I was inspired by Amira, and I will give you the link to her videos on making the inserts and making the particular cover that I'm going to show you. I have made Traveler's Notebooks in the past, and I've always made them with fabric. So this is a small size. And for this one, I had found these little notebooks in the office supply store. So I made a traveler's notebook to go around those and added charms on the side. I like to put a little ring here so I can hang the dangles if I want dangles. I don't always. And so I used fabric, and I used that Pilon Ultra Firm Stabilizer that you iron in between the two layers of fabric. So here's another one that I've done. And I used paper to add sentiments to it, and I'll give you the link to the video where I show how to do that. Okay, but Amira's been making a lot of Traveler's Notebook inserts, so she really inspired me to do this. So I dug out my paper collection from Echo Park called Sweet Day, and you could see that there, Sweet Day. Alrighty, let me show you what I have. So these, the cardstock is 8 1/4 tall by 8 1/2 wide. And so when folded, it's 4 1/4 wide. So each one of these has 5 sheets of basically copy paper, and then 1 sheet of double-sided cardstock in the middle, and then 5 more sheets of paper. I'm mostly looking to use these for memory keeping and notes and things like that. So these are all from this paper collection. Some of these are stickers, and this is the one of the cut aparts in the collection. But the colors are just gorgeous, and I love Echo Park. So I've got 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 there, and then I also put 2 in here, and this is the cover. And so what Amira did was to laminate one of the sheets of cardstock to make a cover. I'm sorry for the glare, but I loved the hot air balloons, and I found in my stash this little charm that says escape. See if I can get that in there. It says escape, and then I had this in my collection as well. So my particular cover, and again, I will give you her link. My particular cover is 8 1/2 cardstock by 10. And I scored it at 4 1/4, 4 1/2 and 5 1/2. So this is 1 inch wide, and then this is 4 1/2, and that's 4 1/2. And then I laminated it. Before I laminated it, I marked where I was going to cut my holes to put the eyelets in there. And this is the cover of one of the inserts, and this is the cover of the other insert. Very cute. I love them. I did add one cardstock pocket thing that I just decided I wanted to add. I think on Amira's, I think she has maybe 3 inserts on hers. I'm not sure, so I just decided to do mine with 2, and I know that I'm planning on getting these pretty chunky with just adding some goodies in there. So anyway, I just want to share that with you because I was just so excited to do this. I love the paper collection. Echo Park is just one of my favorites. And there is that. Make sure you check all the links down below, and thank you for watching.